Welcome, my people. I'm here again. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. My people, so I got information that armed robbers struck at a remittance outlet that's located in Mandeville, Jamaica on Thursday. And according to information that I got, it is said that they made off with a large sum of cash. So according to information that I got, it is said that police source confirmed the robbery, and that preliminary reports are that the gunmen entered the remittance center located close to the Mandeville town center and held up persons who was inside of the building or personnel at the establishment and demanded access to cash. So according to more information that I got, it is said that the gunmen took millions of dollars before making their escape, and that the police are doing their investigation. I also got the understanding that there's at least one video circulating on social media that shows some things that happened during the incident. Okay, so I'm going to move on to another topic. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so. And click the notification bell so that you too can be notified whenever I post a video. Now I got information that police have arrested 17 persons in connection with a multi-million-dollar fraud case within the country of Jamaica that is said to be over $150 million at Facey Commodity Limited. So it is said that of the 17 suspects, 14 have been charged so far. That's the information that I got. So it is said that Deputy Commissioner of Police, Fitz Bailey, made the revelation at a press conference on Thursday afternoon. So information are that according to Bailey, on May 16, 2022, the management of Facey parent company, Seprad, called in the police to probe what was believed to be fraudulent activities carried out by employees in the van sales department of the company. So according to more information that I got, it is said that investigations uncovered that 2 employees manipulated the computer system to facilitate 24 other employees, including I think was sale drivers and assistants, who participated in the fraud by collecting goods from separate warehouses and subsequently sold the goods and keep the proceeds. And it is said that that's according to Bailey. So it is said that he added that between April 12 and April 13, 2023, members of CTOC conducted special operations across Clarendon, St. Catherine, and the corporate area where the 17 suspects were arrested. I also got information that there are other persons who are wanted by the police when it comes down to this whole situation versus subscribers. Some people may get the understanding that there's more to that whole situation than how it might seem at the moment. You understand? But I just get the information according to how I get the information. Oh yeah, and I also got information that St. Anne's Bay police are investigating the mobbing and killing of a man in the parish of St. Anne on Wednesday within an area or a district. I think the area is somewhat Claremont. Alright, so according to more information that I got, it is said that reports from police are that sometime at about 7 p.m. or after 6 p.m. that's on Wednesday, lawmen were summoned to a scene where a man was allegedly mobbed after he had been accused of allegedly stealing goats. See? So it is said that upon arrival, the man was seen with chop wounds all over his body, viewers and subscribers, and a female that accompanied the man was taken into police custody. So it is said that police are doing the investigation when it comes on to that situation. Now, there are more than one pieces of videos circulating on social media that shows a man who had been injured while he was trying to climb on a boat. So may I say, now I got some information about those videos and the situation itself. According to information that I got, it is said that the incident happened within St. Martin. See? And according to the police, it is said that the preliminary investigations indicated that the victim had jumped into the sea and swam towards a water taxi. I assume that is what some people call a boat. So it is said that the water taxi was anchored to one of the piers, and he tried to climb onto the back of the water taxi, and at some point the propeller of the boat or the water taxi cut off part of one of the person's 2 feet. That means to say one of the person's 2 feet, one of them had been badly injured, and the person lose part of one of those 2 feet. You see what I say? So it is said that the victim was provided immediate medical attention and was immediately transported to a medical center. See? And based on the last information that I got, it is said that the person was admitted in hospital or the medical center, as also some people might call it, in critical but stable condition. Now, I don't have any update about the person's medical condition, viewers and subscribers, but I get the information based on the time when I got the information. You understand me? Now, I don't know if the person received any other injury, and the person is said to be a tourist. Viewers and subscribers, some of you might have seen pieces of videos circulating on social media about this whole situation. I saw at least 2 pieces of videos about this whole situation, and I'm telling you, they are not easy to look at. You understand me? So that person had been badly injured, and I just give information just in case if you see those videos and you didn't know where those videos are recorded or so forth, or where the incident happened. Dancehall give information as well me get them. All right. I think here's where I'm going to leave it, Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Big up.